Broil King Premium Grill Covers. Protect your grill without sacrificing style with a Broil King Premium Grill Cover. Buying a high-quality cover is vital for protecting your grill from the elements, so that it remains in optimal working condition and maintains its lustrous finish. Our premium grill covers are made from durable PVC with an extra thick woven polyester lining and are customized to fit each Broil King grill series. The heavy-duty cover is weather-resistant and includes 2 molded resin handles for easy removal. There's hook and loop tabs along the bottom to help secure the cover when installed, and mesh venting on both sides and the back of the cover for improved airflow and moisture resistance. For added style, the cover has blue stitching detail and a large embroidered Broil King logo that easily identifies the front of the cover. It's the accessory that keeps your grill looking its best, and the one that you can't forget when you purchase a new grill. Broil King Premium Grill Covers. Broil King. Do more with your grill.